Hello everyone and welcome to a new ServiceTonic video. In this video, we will give you an overview on the dashboard. We define the dashboard as a dynamic screen that graphically displays a summary of all the information we want about tickets managed or to be managed by the agent, the team they belong to, or global service view. The dashboard is fully customizable according to the agent's role and allows complete service tracking. It is structured, as you can see, into panels and elements. The dashboard is usually the main page once we log in. Upon accessing the dashboard, we can modify certain parameters to further define the details of the information we want to analyze. Here, we will start with visibility, which we can differentiate as global and service, the most comprehensive, encompassing all service data, down to more specific views like team or personal. In the personal view, you will only show tickets that are directly related to the registered agent. On the other hand, the team view shows all the information related to the teams the registered agent belongs to. In this case, this agent belongs to two teams, service desk and second level. And with these checkboxes, we can further refine the information to be displayed by filtering team selections. Here, we will only visualize the service desk team. Another main option is to generate different dashboards. For example, one for service status, another for problem management, and another for the main dashboard. As we can see, it's completely customizable. Another available option is the ease of customizing a new dashboard, allowing us to add new panels to our dashboards with just a few clicks. For this example, this table panel. As you can see, we can change the positions, we can play with this in whatever way we feel like. By default, the panels are pre-configured with criteria of fixed, manual, monthly, or even daily dates. Thanks to this section, we can modify these date ranges to display only the information we need at that moment. For instance, in this created versus closed tickets graph, it shows information for a whole month, but if desired, we could refine this information as follows. We come up here, we go to the trends range, choose a date range, for example from the 1st to the 15th. Then we select the frequency, in this case a daily frequency, and apply the range. Additionally, we have the option to filter with criteria, for example, adding the ticket type to show only incidents. We filter, apply the date range, and as we can see, both the dates and criteria are applied instantly in this panel. Lastly, clicking on any element in the dashboard will take us to the view or the specific ticket related to that panel. For example, in the case of the total count indicator, it shows the number of urgent tickets that we have in the service. Clicking on it will take us to a view showing the list of all urgent tickets, where we can then proceed with their handling. And this concludes the dashboard overview video. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can contact our support team through the usual channels. I'll say goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.